Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, I will be doing an example on critical numbers. Okay, so we have here the function f of x is equal to 10x e to the 3 minus x squared. And ang goal natin is to look for the critical numbers. And again, remember, to look for the critical numbers is first take the derivative of x, and then second is equate to 0. Okay, and then check if within the domain. Okay? So, 10x e to the 3 minus x squared. So, kunin natin yung derivative. So, this is f prime of x. Then, lalabas ko na lang yung 10 and we will do a product rule here no? So, 10 times. So, 1 times e to the 3 minus x squared plus x e to the 3 minus x squared times negative 2x. Okay, so we just used the product rule here. And let's simplify. So this will become 10 e to the 3 minus x squared minus 20 x squared e to the 3 minus x squared. Okay, so let's just factor out things. So 10 e to the 3 minus x squared, 1 minus 2x squared. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung f prime of x. So, next step natin is equate this to 0. No? So, equate natin to 0. So, e to the 3 minus x squared, hindi naman yan pwede maging 0. Okay? So, etong part yung equate natin to 0. So, 1 minus 2x squared is equal to 0. And at this point, this is just very straightforward. So, this is x squared is equal to 1 half, and x is equal to 1 over square root of 2. So, plus or minus. And let's just simplify this. So, this is just x is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 all over 2. Okay? And now, let's check yung function natin. So, meron bang nagpapa-undefined sa kanya or wala sa domain? So, wala naman. So, our critical numbers is x is equal to plus minus square root of 2 over 2. Okay? So, this is just a short example for critical numbers. Again, kinuha lang natin yung derivative, equate to 0, and check if nasa domain. Okay? So, we will be doing a much more complex example in our next video. So, see you in the next video.